Hi folks, you've probably been hearing about the ketogenic diet, right? But you don't seem to understand what it's all about. Well, here's a breakdown of the ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that offers many health benefits. According to studies, a ketogenic diet can help you lose weight and improve your health. Besides, a ketogenic diet can also help prevent diabetes, cancer, epilepsy, and Alzheimer's disease. A good and healthy ketogenic diet should include meat, fatty fish, eggs, butter and cream, unprocessed cheese, nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, healthy oils, avocados, low-carb veggies, and condiments. If you would like to see more videos like these, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.